Want to create stunning animations for free? You won't believe these 5 incredible AI animation tools are 100% free. From turning your photos into moving art to generating realistic character animations. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create animations with AI but didn't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. Today we're going to look at 5 AI animation tools you won't believe are free. These tools will blow your mind. And best of all, they won't cost you a penny. Whether you're a beginner or looking for something easy, these tools are super user-friendly and amazing for creating unique animations. Let's dive in. Number 1. Runway ML. Our first tool is Runway ML, a platform that's gaining popularity for its powerful AI tools. With Runway ML, you can easily turn static images into animations, create video sequences from text prompts, or even apply artistic effects to your work. The tool is quite versatile and beginner-friendly. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Go to the Runway ML website and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, choose from various templates or AI models designed for animation. Step 3. Upload your image or video to the platform and let it work its magic. The free version provides plenty of functionality to start experimenting with animations. Just keep in mind that some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, but still it's an incredible starting point for beginners. Number 2. DP Animation Tool. Next up, we have DeepEye, an amazing platform that offers a free image to animation tool. If you want to add subtle motion or effects to your photos, DeepEye's tool is perfect for that. It's simple and incredibly fast. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Visit the DeepEye website and locate the image animation tool. Step 2. Upload your chosen image. A portrait or landscape works best. Step 3. Choose from various animation effects like zooms, sways, and waves. Hit the Create Animation button and let the AI handle the rest. It's completely free and very effective for turning still images into dynamic visuals. Number 3. Picasso. Moving on, let's talk about Picasso, a mobile app that uses AI to transform your images into animated art. The tool applies neural networks to create unique visual effects that are more artistic than traditional animations. Here's how you can use Picasso. Step 1. Download the Picasso app, available for both Android and iOS. Step 2. Upload the photo you want to animate. Step 3. Choose from the different styles, or let the AI suggest one. Click Create Animation, and wait as your photo is turned into a stunning animated piece. Picasso is perfect for anyone who wants to give their images an artistic and abstract feel, and just exploring your artistic side, all for free. Number 4. Artbreeder. The next AI tool on our list is Artbreeder. Artbreeder allows you to blend and animate multiple images, making it a fantastic tool for creating character animations, portraits, and landscapes. It's easy to use and perfect for artists and beginners alike. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Sign up for a free account at Artbreeder. Step 2. Choose an image or start blending multiple images to create something unique. Step 3. Use the animation slider to create a moving sequence of your images. Artbreeder offers a ton of creative possibilities, and you can create smooth, animated transitions between images or portraits. Number 5. DID. Last, but definitely not least, we have DID, a powerful AI tool that lets you bring still photos to life by animating facial expressions, adding speech, or even making characters blink and smile. It's great for creating lifelike animated portraits, or even bringing old photos back to life. Here's how you can use DID. Step 1. Visit the DID website and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Upload a photo with a clear face. Step 3. Choose the animation effect. Make the person blink, smile, or even speak. Click Generate, and watch as the image comes to life with incredible realism. DID is perfect for those wanting to make animated portraits, or create videos where a person talks or reacts. It's an amazing tool for making lifelike animations from still photos, and it's completely free to use. And that's it. 5 amazing free AI animation tools that you can use to create stunning animations today. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick way to add movement to your images, these tools will get you started without spending a dime. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.